Hello guys, welcome back to our channel One to Step. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to fix your Facebook page if it is showing this site is not reachable. So let's open our web browser. I'm going to open Google Chrome as my web browser and type in www.facebook.com. As you can see, I've been sent to the official web page of the Facebook, and as you can see my account is already logged in here and you can see it is working all fine. But if it is showing you that the Facebook is not reachable, then you should try a different web browser. So I'm going to use Opera GX again. Click on www.facebook.com and hit enter. As you can see, even in this web browser it is fine. Now if it is not working fine, then you should go to your settings and click on clear browsing data now, and click on clear cached images and files and click on clear data. Then it would be working fine. And if it's still not working fine, then you should check if your Wi-Fi is having a stable connection or not, or you should just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn it back again and your problem will be fixed. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon button to get updates on our new videos and drop a comment for reviews and more contents like this. Thank you for watching.